Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Opoki, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome to this channel. This is a channel where we solve problems on math covering a wide range of topics. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel, okay? Alright, so today we have a question on the board. You can feel free to pause the video and attend the question and come back to this video. All right, so let's look at the problem. The problem is on calculus, and on calculus, we have it as what? Integration. So whenever you see this symbol, this shape is called what? Integration. So we are meant to integrate this expression. But in this integration, we have what we call the upper what? Limit. And we have what we call the lower what? Limit. So when you solve this, after integrating, you want to make use of your upper limit and your lower limit. All right, so let's integrate the expression. Now to integrate this, if I have, okay, say ax raised to power n, or if I have x raised to power n, if I should integrate this with respect to the x, all I need to do is I'm going to add 1 to the power and bring all this down. Now for this, if I should integrate it with respect to the x, it means I'm going to add 1 to the power, all right, and bring all this down. Okay, most times when you do that, you put what? A constant, k. Okay, so we are going to apply our integration to all this. So for this x squared is going to be integral of x squared with respect to the x. All right, for this we have minus integral of 4x with respect to the x. Okay, so that is how we are going to what? Integrate this expression. So let's use this and integrate the expression and see what we are going to get. All right, so remember, we are going to add 1 to this. So I have x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 using this. All right, so we have minus here. Now for this, it looks like this. Remember, x has a power of 1. So all I need to do is I'll write for x raised to power 1. We are going to add 1 to the power, okay, divided by what? Power, which is now 1 plus 1. So this new power 1 plus 1, we are going to put it down here. Now plus our constant, okay, k. All right. Now from this, we can further simplify what we have. Okay. So I have this as giving me x what? 2 plus 1 is 3, divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, minus. Okay, so we have 4, x raised to power what? 1 plus 1 is 2, divided by 1 plus 1 is what? 2. All right, so we have to put this, okay, to be able to, indicate our limits. So 2 and 1. You don't need to bother much about the constant, okay, while applying the upper and the lower limit. All right, but inside we can see that 2 can go into itself is 1, 2 into 4 is 2. So this expression becomes x cubed divided by 3 minus 2 times what? X raised to the power of what? 2. So we have to still put our limits. So we have 2 and 1 as the upper and lower limit. Now the next step, which is like close to our final step, okay, is we are going to introduce the upper limits, meaning I'm going to use 2 and input inside this as x, subtract the what? Lower limit. Now for the lower limit, we are going to input 1 as x inside all this what? Expression. So let's do that. Now 2 put into this for the upper limit, I'm going to have, okay, 2 raised to the power of what? 3 divided by what? 3 minus 2 times what? 2 times 2 raised to the power of what? 2. So this part gives us the upper limit, so minus. Now for the lower limit, I'm going to input x as 1. So I have 1 raised to the power of what? 3 divided by what? 3 minus 2 multiply 1 raised to the power of 2. So we'll be able to input our upper and lower limit. Now let's see what values we are going to get for the upper and lower limits and simplify further. Now for the upper limit, if I solve this, 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 over what 3 minus. This is what 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4 times 2 is still 8. I can decide to write this as this minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1 over what 3 minus. Right, 1 raised to the power of 2 is still 1. 2 times 1 is also 2, so we have 2 over 1. So we have this fraction to solve, okay? So how do we solve this fraction to get our answers? It's very, very simple. I'm going to use the cross multiplication method. So this will multiply this and this will multiply this. So let's see what that will give us. So 8 times 1, so 8 times 1 minus 3 times what 8, so 8 times 8, divide, okay? Now we're also going to multiply these 2. That will give us 3 times what? 1. So I have 3 times 1. So minus, okay? We'll do the same here. First, I'm going to go this way. Then I'm going to go this way. And finally this way. So we have, you always start from this to this. So we have 1 times 1 minus 3 times what? 3 times 2. Divide by what? 3 times what? 1. Alright? So I want to express this. Let's see what this gives us. So our 8 times 1 is what? 8, right? Our 8 times 1 is 8. So I have this as 8 minus 3 times 8 is going to give us what? 24. Divide 3 times 1 is 3. So all this minus 1 times 1 is what? 1. So minus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, all this divided by what? 3. So let's simplify this to see what this gives us. Now 8 minus 24 is going to give us minus what? 16. Okay, take the sign of this 24, which is minus. We subtract 8 from 24, we have 16. So divide by 3 minus 1 minus 6. Take this sign, which is what? Minus. Okay, now 6 minus 1 is going to give us 5. Divide by what? 3. All right. Now, since they have a common what denominator, we are going to pick 1. Okay, and 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 times this is minus 16. So we have minus at the center. So 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 times this is minus 5. So this will give us minus 16. Now minus times minus is going to give us plus. So plus 5 divided by 3. Now minus 16 plus 5 is going to give us what? First of all, I'll pick this minus because 16 is greater. Now since the signs are not the same, we are going to do what? Subtraction. So 16 minus 5 is going to give me what? 11 over 3. So this gives us the solution to this problem. So we have this, after inputting the upper limit minus the lower limit, we have it as minus 11 over 3. Or you can see your answer as minus what? 3 whole number what? 2 over 3. This is in mixed what? Fraction. So any of these gives you the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.